I'm going to show you how to create multiple channels from one email ID. So first of all, you can create a new channel as usual. So as you can see, I am on one of my channels. So suppose this is the only channel under my email ID. So now log into the studio.youtube.com. So once you are here on this screen, then you can go and click on settings here at the left hand corner. Okay, settings. Now once you are here, you need to click on channel. Now go to the advanced settings here, scroll down till you find manage YouTube account. You need to click on that one. Now it will open up another tab. Now here you can see under your channel, you can see add or manage your channels. You need to click on that one. Now it will show all the channels that you have under this email ID. Now as you can see, I have already multiple channels. However, you will be seeing only one through which you just came here on this page. Now you can see this option, create a channel. You need to click on that one. Create your channel name. Now keep adding the name. Once you complete all these things, then your channel will be created. So we are going to name the channel as Satyanax 2.2. I understand. Click on create. And now you can see I am on my page here, Satyanax 2.0. The channel is created. Now it is saying to upload a video. Now you can go to the YouTube studio and complete the rest of the settings. You can verify your channel and through email and email, phone number and all those things. Okay, so this is how you can create multiple channels. Now you want to create another one, you need to go to the same place and you can create create another channel here. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.